Hi there, welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian, and today we're going to look at this Hyundai petrol engine. Now it does come in all sorts of different CCs and sizes, but we can put a list of what we do. And these would be a typical replacement engine for all sorts of plant equipment that has engines of this type around the 200, 210cc that are available in the marketplace today. So this is a quality Hyundai engine that can be used as a direct replacement. So I'm going to open the box, get the engine out, and I can show you what you get. So this particular engine is what we call an IC210 PE-19. So PE petrol engine, IC internal combustion. 210, well, it's actually a 212cc engine. So what could we use this for? Well, as you can see, it's got the standard footprint, which is pretty much uniform across the industry on the bottom. So it would bolt to existing equipment that has engines of this type. And again, the 19 refers to the diameter of the output shaft. So the diameter of the output shaft, which is keyed, it's a parallel shaft, and it's keyed, and it is a 19mm diameter shaft. And again, as you can see, it's completely self-contained. Fuel tank, carburetor, air filter, exhaust, all contained within the engine. This particular one does have an electric start, so it has a starter motor. You would have to connect it up to your own battery supply, but it will start here on the starter with a key, so you don't need to use the recoil. So whenever you're transporting your machinery or what have you, we'd always recommend to turn the fuel off, because moving around in the back of a wagon, what have you, the float can bounce about and it can leak fuel. So always turn the fuel off, and it does have the choke for cold start, and it does have a throttle lever as well, so you can set it to minimum or maximum. It is a governed engine, so you can't over rev it. Okay, so standard type of air filter included with these. I'll just pop the little air filter lid off. And again, a generic part, we do keep all the spares, air filter, proper job located underneath. So that's pretty much a self-contained engine. It does come with a fuel tank and the lid. And again, the exhaust with heat shield. So it's an overhead valve engine, easy to adjust. Valve clearances can be adjusted under the rocker cover here. Spark plug is a pretty generic item, and again, on this particular engine, to turn the engine on and off, you simply switch it off with the key. Some engines have a red turnbuckle, but this electric start version, you can turn it off with the key and start it on the key. So as I mentioned, the output shaft being 19mm, it has got a protective cover on it here. It does come with the key included. Now, as we were talking about the footprint of the engine being the same as the industry standard engine footprint, so the bolt holes would be the same. Again, the height of the shaft from the base is again identical to standard industry types. So that's the overview of this particular engine. Here at Hyundai, we've been using engines of this type, built in the same factory as these on our pressure washers, all sorts of different pieces of plant and equipment, and we found them to be very reliable indeed. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this, our other engines, or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian. Thanks for watching.